What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be playing creative. You already know, guys. We really play creative a lot, so we're gonna play creative right now. Let's get it, guys. So we're just gonna be warming up, guys. Or you can hear me. Comment down below. I'm gonna put a link to this file, what I used to record. But really, it doesn't really help. It does help sometimes, but you should try, guys. Alright, let's get into the video. It's this map. The code, I'll give you the code right now. It's gonna be the link in the description below. This is the code. You can see it on top, guys. On top of me, up there, where it says 1v1 map. So yeah, guys, let's get into this video. Okay. So this is my second sweatiest skin. Right now I'm gonna end the video, guys. I'm gonna see. I don't know, Grandma. Gonna be booty. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. There's gonna be in the video on the right. Go watch that video. There's gonna be a little picture of my thing, my YouTube thing, my picture, and then it says, you click it, it says subscribe, and yeah, guys, enjoy.